Alright, what's up guys? So I just entered my trade right now. It's 9:46. Nasdaq, 5 contracts, minis, right? Mini and Q. So yeah, let's see if we get a good trade or not, right? And yeah, depending if we lose or win, right afterward I'll do the recap, right, on TradingView, just because it's simpler and cleaner, right? So yeah, let's wait now. In 3 minutes now we have macros, so we'll have to check for that. Now we have this fair value gap to fill, okay, and then this is London low. Let's check. Yeah, right there 942 we rejected. Right afterward 943 we're in, and yeah, we're just gonna wait. I'm not gonna touch anything. Even if we lose, it doesn't matter. Yesterday we made 750, so I can lose up to 3 times in a row just to go back to break even, right? Because I'm risking 250. And yeah, 1, 2, 3. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. Now, if macro happens, not if macro happens, when macro starts, I can see potentially this gap, but we're pretty much holding it. If it's want to go deeper, then maybe we're gonna take an L here. But honestly, we have a higher time frame gap right there. 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute. So yeah, if price just keeps on doing its thing, I'm already at a 1-to-1. I should get my 1-to-3 easily and be done here. So we'll see. We have like 2 more minutes till macro. Honestly, what I want to see, maybe it's gonna pull back and then start flying, or it's just gonna pull back and then drop deeper. But what I want to see is just keeps on going, and then off this zone react, right? Okay, well, I don't know if you guys saw that. That's pretty much insane. Here, let's get out. What was that? What? 948. No news, no nothing. I should have got stopped out here. Let's just go make sure and check. 171. Okay, that's so weird. You guys seen it live how it dropped? I don't know. Now we have 171. I know I said 1 trade a day, right? And I need to be disciplined and everything. But because it's the combine, I'll be okay to take, and I don't like to make exceptions and stuff like that, right? But I wouldn't mind taking another one. Yeah, 480. As we've seen, it filled this gap right there. 945. So yeah, I mean, I marked this gap. We had a gap right there, right? 950. So macro just open. 949, 950. Okay, let's see if we get another rejection right there. Then from there we'll see if we can enter a trade. Then we have Asia, then previous days. I told you guys, either macro will just pull back and go, or as we've seen, 949 we came all the way down to fill this gap. Now, if I would have lost my full 250, I would have been out, even though we're pretty close. But I feel like we could get a nice trade here. I'm looking for buys, so this is on the 1 hour time frame, 30-minute. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, right now we only have this to go off. So if this holds, we'll see. If it doesn't, I'll just play it safe and we'll be back tomorrow. Doesn't matter. Patience. And right there, this is the line that I marked, but there's no box because where do you want me to put the box? Right there? No. So we're just gonna go off this line. No pullback for this gap. Interesting. Right now there's no setup yet. I mean, let me just check. Look for a short. Maybe. Depends how price goes. Look at our first rejection here. Gap and line. If anything, 50 points, 250. I don't like shorts, to be honest. I'll look for buys. Even if it plays out, I'll look for buys. I don't like shorts. 250, 125. Okay. Okay, good thing we didn't take shorts. Like I said, buys were longs were the, because we have here gap to fill, London high, then all the next zones. Right there, if we had a pullback, I would have took this for sure. We didn't though, so from there we're just gonna wait. Yeah, we're gonna wait for the same thing basically. So this to get filled again, then reject. From there we'll take that. Like that. And this should be perfect trade. Now though, we already swept this fair value gap, we already filled it. London, we already seen this. Perfect. Let's go check something here. Yeah. Yeah, longs for sure. And yeah, if we don't get any pullbacks, then we'll probably, I mean, at 10.10, I'm done regardless of what price does. So, gotta follow the rules. So either after market open, I get a trade, or if there's no trade yet, at macro, so 9:50, 10.10, and from there I'll be done, right? No need to stay for more. Yes, there's more macros, so 10:50 to 11, 10:10, to 11:10, I mean, but I don't care after that. I prefer when it's fresh like that, no use zone, no nothing. It's easier. I don't know how long this video will be now, but we'll see. Okay. 9:58, drop, and then we may get a trade. Because honestly, we already know it's gonna go this direction. Now we're just waiting for a good entry, right? I'm not gonna take any random entries here. Just in case it decide at 10, right? New hour, new 1 hour candle to just go down. Yeah. Is this a 1 to 2 though already? Very close. I mean, we do have FOMC too, so maybe that's why price is like a bit slow in a way. Then unemployment claim, we don't care, and Friday, we don't care. Oh yeah, if I was on my real account, I'd be done right there. Because honestly, I'm supposed to be out from this candle, as you guys seen. I'm supposed to take my full stop loss, and I would have been done on my XFAs, right? I need to remember discipline and everything, and I have 5 accounts following me, right? But since we're on combine, another 100 loss wouldn't change anything. Alright, so 10 just hit, like I said. Very simple. Now I'm just waiting for it to hit here. I'll take it. And yeah. I'm not gonna wait for rejection. No. Let's see. We have 10 more minutes to see if we can get a trade. If not, we're done here. So 10 more minutes of recording. If you guys want to skip forward, if you're still watching, you can, I guess. So we're gonna watch this right there, because when it's macro timing, what we do is we find new 1 minute fair value gaps and trade off of those, right? If price is not coming to any session or to any zone that we marked. So I'll just mark this right there. If I see potential, then we'll see. And my stop loss is wide enough to cover even London, so could be a good trade. See though. I guess meanwhile, let's just see what this does. Okay. So on the 1 hour, we filled this gap, then went straight up, then start. We should go here, then go up. Yep. Let's go on the 1 hour. Monday we had, I wasn't trading yet, I was on paper, but we had the same thing, clean setup. I was backtesting the whole maximum that I can backtest. I even got the subscription right there. What's it called? You know, so we can replay, right? And yeah, I was just backtesting, so should be alright. But yeah, guys, I don't want to bore you guys. Here, let's start the recap then. Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low. 30 minute. Then we had this gap right there, 1 hour, 30 minute, and 4 hour. Go back to the 5 minute. I placed my box right there, so here to here. Go to the 1 minute. The line should be right there somewhere. The fair value gap on higher time frame. From there, the box was, let me just go check to make sure. It was like that, so here to here, right? And then this gap right there, we didn't have anything to put because obviously we're not gonna put a box right there, right? That's way too much. So I just left it as is, and we already seen that it reacted perfectly, but no pullback, so doesn't matter. So yeah, that's pretty much it here. 5 more minutes. It is kind of moving slow. And right there, 9:49. Yep. Alright, here too, we could have a great setup, but probably because we didn't fill this gap yet, so price ended up coming back. Pros, we were pretty close to macro, so, but yeah. Five more minutes. If I don't see anything, I'll just hop off and call it a day. And that's it. Because if I just keep myself, you know, following the rules and everything, it's gonna be perfect here. Yes, I could stay on the chart, look for another trade, lose, maybe win, but it doesn't matter. I prefer just to be done, and that's it. Now, like I said, if it came back to London low, I'll take it. So yeah, let's wait. Honestly, I should have took it right there. It doesn't matter for 1 point or 1 point less, right? I mean, it wouldn't matter regardless. But I guess I just didn't have time to react here. You guys seen how fast it was. But yeah, definitely here I could have just entered. Doesn't matter for 2 points or 3 points. Not gonna change anything. And it seems like it's working out, you know? Oh well. 10:05, I did the move. But this doesn't mean I'm just gonna enter there, no. If it end up pulling back up in the last 4 minutes that we have, I'll take it. If not, then it's not. But yeah, trading's like a job, you know? Not because I miss something, I'm just gonna force something. Or if I lose a trade, I'm gonna blow the whole account, right? Did I miss it? Probably. It's probably gonna go and hit my full take profit, right? Does it sucks? Sure. Do I have the whole week left to trade? Yes. So does it matter? No. That's it. You guys need to know, are you guys profitable trader? Go check what are you doing wrong? Is it your strategy? Is it you take more than a trade and it's messing you up? Is it FOMO? I don't know. And then yeah, just be patient. It's cool, I can force the account, make money. It is combined, but it is still what's it called? It is still money spent, right? On 5 accounts, it's a lot. Plus the activation fee, that's 1K alone, right? But I'll just be patient, because I know that's the only thing holding me back right now. I'll tell you today though, maybe it's because we have FOMC at 2, price is really slow. It's absolutely really slow. As we've seen here on the 5 minute, 10:50, we have a gap right there, 10. We check here, 10:05, 10:06, macro timing. So, but like I said, I would have been in right there. I don't know why I was just waiting for it to hit it completely so I can enter, but it wouldn't have mattered. And right now we're probably a 1-2-2, no, 1-2-1 still. So yeah, I mean, that's gonna be it. Either I finish early, I take a win early, either I take a loss or no trade, you know? At 10:10, that's it. I'm done looking for trades. That's my time right there, you know? So let's just give it 1 more minute to see what's gonna do, and then I'll probably close everything here. Let me just copy image so I can go and put it in the journal and type everything, you know, that happened today. And that's a 1-2 in like the next 2 minutes. Okay, so yeah, pretty much took an L right there. Should have been done for the day, which I mean, I'm pretty done for the day. Minus 171, no problem. Let's just go check something. So 171. So we lost 855 today, which is basically nothing compared to what we're making. And right there, I'm not gonna say missed the trade. I was just waiting for it to fully tap in so I can enter. So yeah, technically I missed it. From there, price is very slow, but it's going in the direction that I want, so that's good. But yeah, I guess, yeah, we're done here. 10, 11. Alright, so you guys see me trade live today. That was it. I'm not gonna force anything, not gonna do anything. My time is up here. Remove drawing. And that's it. So we are, let me just go check how much on each account we lost. 171 average. Perfect. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.